Shubor nagaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Uway na Nongkrem ya ke United Democratic Party, ubalong ru sembut menteri rang bak barem ke jela bak Bindo lanong. Ula ong ba unnom Ithuh ya ke bakam UDP na Nongkrem. Namar kidai ban Ithuh shwaya kum uway na Nong yalam ubaladan bentalang ban seng yaka. Habakeli kum no onle kum unong yalam barang bak ke UDP, namar unle yakun na Nongkrem. Katba ki badan ha ke UDP Nongkrem pan kim Ithuh Henry ki Ithuh ya UMLA Shimet ubam pat dan ha kaseng. Uba Bindo ula ong nganam Ithuh ya kita ki bakam baki dai ki UDP Nongkrem. Kiba Ithuh penban ya ubre uba watang kum udukhat bayaso jong ke UDP ru pat dai. Uba Bindo ula ong bakam lak satya banlong bama kum uwei na ki badan bentalang banseng ya ke UDP House nem syajar kendai spak kendai penyo. Unam yo jeng Ithuh Henry on Ithuh penban ya kita ki batang banlong dukhat jong ke UDP ru kempat dai. Halor ke jengkeli bakadan ke jeng syurut mentah pok ke UDP. Kamtam bakila ban penduk tiket ya una Nongkrem. Uba Bindo ula ong baka jeng syurut ke dan ben, Henry kata ke jeng syurut ke dai hakapor mensngi. Henry hakapor janmit pan lapen bet no. Uba Bindo ubalalong teng UMLA ka constituency barem menswa kamal ki nong thamai constituency. Uju yo bha ke jeng kersyan na than madan teng hakitu kipor ba ompat pen bet thamai ya ki constituency. Kamadan teng menta kalahap Nongkrem constituency. Bat kadai ka jaka baju aira ya ki kertong ki bayakhon ya ki election na Nongkrem constituency.
Yeah, my people have given me the ultimatum that we must go ahead. Then I said, all right, I am inclined with that since I have made up my mind also. But then I believe that I'll be the candidate of the party because you can't think of me, by being anywhere else. I'm one of the founders of the UDP in 1997. I was one of the founders.
But will this not bring, a rift within the party?
Well, a rift is always there, but we'll iron out. We'll iron out. In the daytime there is rift. By evening we iron out. Rift is gone. It happens like that.
So you are confident that the UDP will field you as its official candidate from Nongkrem?
Very much. Got to be true. From all norms and principles and merit, you got to be that.
But what made you to decide to, go for Nongkrem and not East Shillong?
I'll be very frank with you. I'll be very, very frank with you. Most of the non-tribals, they do not support, they do not vote for the regional parties. I fought last time and I lost badly. They say, Bindo is a good person from a bad party. I said, vote for a good man. Party is bad. In politics, everything is acceptable. They have got every right. Everybody does that. I don't care about all that, I don't care about anything. We go by what we feel, what is right for us, we'll go by that. Who cares about that?
Given an opportunity,
I said everybody is doing that. Everybody is doing that. It's part of politics. I have the advantage, or to take the advantage in respect of the court order. No. Unless you see the government or the parties concerned challenge the order of the High Court before the bench. That means if they don't do that, the order of the court stands and you have to follow. As simple as that. If the government does not challenge the order, the next step is you have to constitute. Otherwise, you will be caught by the court. You have to. If you oppose that, then challenge. If not, you have to constitute. Everybody is always advisable. And if the government does not go by the order of the court, then they will be held for contempt. You know that. You know that. Either you challenge or you constitute. Otherwise, you will be held for contempt.